Hello and welcome to another demonstration of the ProQyz features. This time what we're going to be doing is having a look at how to build a writing test in ProQyz. How to build a writing test. And we're going to do this today using ChatGPT. So it's going to be a new writing test based on some AI. So it's quite interesting to do. It's very quick and very easy, in fact. So this is my ProQyz dashboard. Before we start looking at how to build one, let's just have a look at the product. So what we're going to be producing is a writing test which looks something like this. This is going to have two parts. Part 1 in IELTS we call Task 1 and Part 2 we call Task 2. So this is an IELTS test. You don't have to create an IELTS test. You can create any writing that you like. All of the features here, the mobile responsiveness and the note-taking and highlighting features are all built into the system. So you don't have to worry about that. And the time here is the total time for both parts. So you'll see later on that in IELTS we recommend students take 20 minutes for Part 1, Task 1, and 40 minutes for Task 2. But they don't have to keep to that strictly. So that's what we're aiming for. How do we do it? Very simple. My quizzes here, I go into a new quiz and I'm going to create a writing quiz. So I simply click on writing and next. Now I need some basic ideas for this. So let's have, or some basic information I should say for this. So we'll just have original GPT. I'm not going to have a short description at this stage. Add the quiz, and there we have our basic name. Down here you can share your quiz with the quiz library. I'm not going to do that for this one because it's just a test. And here we have we can add our tasks. So you can get your tasks here or here. So let's go ahead and add a task here. I'm going to call this Task 1, and here we've got a drop-down menu for writing Task 1 and Task 2, and this is actually where you attach the rubric for the writing. So when you're grading writing tasks, you can attach a rubric. At this stage we've got Task 1 and Task 2 IELTS rubrics. There will be custom rubrics added to this soon, so you'll be able to select other ones. And here I'm going to add my content. So I said before I created this on ChatGPT. So let's just have a look. I gave it a simple instruction, create a Task 1 writing question, and this is what it did. So I'm just going to copy and paste that into my ProQyz. And the graph below. So what's very nice with ChatGPT now, I created the graph as well. So let's just go and get the graph. It's here. I'm going to copy that image and add that to my question. Okay. So nice and easy. Sample answer. I've also asked ChatGPT to create a sample answer. So for my Task 1 here, I've got a Band 8 sample answer. You can add as many as you want, or whoever your students are, you can choose to create different band sample answers. But here we go, let's just add our Band 8 sample answer there. So students will be able to see this after they've got their results. And 20 minutes, so 20 minutes recommended time for this test. Okay, and it's really as easy as that. Add the task, and there it is. Let's go and add our second task here. Task 2. Now this is an essay writing question, so we use the Task 2 rubric. And again, I've got my content in ChatGPT. Down here, create a Task 2 question. and copy and paste that in here. You might want to play around with the formatting somewhat. We've got a very powerful HTML editor here. You can change things around, obviously. I'm just going to leave it like that. I am going to add a sample answer, which I asked it to create. Again, a band 8 sample answer. And I'm going to set this for 40 minutes. So I've got 40 plus 20, I've got 60 minutes altogether for this 2-task essay writing test. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Very quick, very simple. Let's go back and have a look at that very quickly. We've got our name here. These are my quizzes. So I can go and have a look at my quiz. And there it is, my quiz with my graph, all mobile responsive, all of the note-taking and highlighting features there. I've got part 1 and part 2, and I've got my 60 minutes total time. Okay, I think this is a very powerful way to create original material for your students, original writing tests. Give it a try. It's very easy and quick to use, and I'm sure your students will love using it as well. Good luck with that, and I will see you again in the next video.